Welders, why is it important to have product over talent? I say product over talent and even have a hashtag that say product over talent because to me it means your talent can get you hired, but your products can get you generational wealth, can break financial curses, can start business, can actually get you in a position that your talent will get you in. Your talent can get you money. Your talent can get someone else to take care of you. But it's going to come to a time where you want to take care of yourself. And products gives you the opportunity to make money while you're sleeping. And that's why I talk about passive income. You know, you have different entrepreneurs and business people online talking about passive income and they give you different ideas. But as a welder, I just want to share with you a few things that I feel that can create you some passive income. That's why I drop different videos because I know for a fact that you can do anything with this welding trade, from repairs, from building your own products. It's something that you do. Maybe you're a mechanic too. You came up with a tool. It's something you can sell. It's something that you can create that can actually benefit the industry. You see what I'm saying? But you have to think outside of the box. And you have to realize that you want to get your skills sharp. You want to sharpen up your skills to the T. You know what I mean? But you have to be able to have a product too. Talent is good. You want to be good at what you do. Good. But being good at what you do can only get you hired, only get you a pat on the back. But you're still in the same situation. So why not be good at what you do and create a product that can outlive you, that you can pass on to your kids and their kids, that you can help benefit generations, that you can actually change someone's life, help someone's life, improve someone's life. You see what I'm saying? So I really feel that it's important during this downtime, during your quarantine. I really hope that you've been thinking about some ideas, thinking about something that you can do that can benefit the market, benefit those in the workforce that you are in. It starts where you at. You know what I mean? We try to come up with something outside of the box, but it starts where you at, where you work at, what you do, how you live. Create something in that atmosphere that could benefit those in that atmosphere. And that's how you start getting your hog on. Black Phoenix.